Hello everyone, this is Shaique Rizwan from Ivy Pro School. I have enrolled for the data science course at Ivy Professional School, and we have given a project to analyze a real-time data set of our own choice. So for the same, I have selected the data of Olympic Games from kaggle.com. So let me show you the data set first, which I have downloaded from the kaggle.com. So this is the data set. As you can see, it's having 2,71,000 around rows with 15 columns, and another file for the same is this one, NOC regions for the same, the country code. Now, first of all, I have created the database itself in this MySQL, and then I created a table for this. As you can see that the data set is so large, it's around 2,71,000. For the same, I was not able to use this option called a table data import wizard, so I have to use the command cmd for the same, and with this help of cmd I have imported the data into this column which I have created in MySQL. Its name, sex, age, height, weight, team, NOC, medal, etc. After creating the first table history, I have created another table called regions. This is, you can see the region, and imported the same data into the region file as well. Now, coming back to my presentation. The agenda for the presentation is of course the data tools I have used for analyzing the data, important factors which are required to analyze the data, analyzing the data, and ultimately the conclusion for the same. Now, about the data. The data is Olympic Games history data, which shows each and every data from the very first Olympic Games held in 1896 in Athens to the latest happened in 2000 in Glenero as per this data set only. And another file is of National Olympic Committees of different countries of data, that is NOC. Now, talking about the tools I've used for this is MySQL and Excel. Only these two tools I've used for analyzing the data. And now coming back to the factors that are important to analyzing the data are of course the personal information of every athlete, that is name, sex, age, height, weight, team, game information, NOC, game year, season, city, sports, event, medal, country, city, etc. Now, the first query is total number of Olympics held till 2016. Now, calculating the total number of Olympics held in 2016, we will go to the SQL. As you can see, this is the query. Select. When I run this query, as you can see, it shows 51. So here's the answer. Total number of games held from the first to till 2016 is 51. Now, second question is the lowest number of countries. Now, here's the second question. Lowest number of countries. As you can see that the lowest number of countries participated in any of the event happened from 1896 till 2016 is 12 countries, and the highest countries which participated in the game is 204 countries. The query for this I have run is cd common table expression. As you can see, I have created this common table expression and use this in concatenating the values of this by rank method. The answer you can see the lowest is 12 and the highest number of countries participated 2016 is 204 of course. Now, coming to the next question is the sports played in all summer Olympics. Now we have to find the, you can see the sports that are played in all summer Olympics. All means every summer Olympic from the first till today, which sports are being played. So for that we have to run this query. Here it is. When we run this, we can see the list of sports that were played in all summer Olympics. Only summer Olympics from 1st till 2016. It's athletics, swimming, gymnastics, fencing, cycling. It's only. Okay. Now coming back to the next question is, we have to find the sports which are played only once in any Olympics. The sports which are played only once and never played in any Olympics twice or thrice. So for this finding, we have to go to MySQL, and here's the query for the same. When I run this, I get these sports: aeronautics, bass, pelota, cricket, croquet, geode, comet, military, sky patrol, motor boating, rackets, rope, rugby, sevens are the games which are played only once from first till today. Now coming back to the next slide, number of sports. We have to find the number of sports played in each Olympics from 1986, as you can see, till 2016. We have to find the sports played in each of the Olympics. For this, we have to simply run this query. Here it is. We got the answer. You can see 1896 9 sports till 1988 27 sports. Here it is. Okay. Now coming back to the next slide, we have to find out the top 5 athletes who won most of the gold medals. Now here are the athletes who won the most gold medals. As you can see, the Michael Fred Phelps too from United States have won record-breaking 23 medals, 23 gold medals. And the second one is, of course, it's not second. As you can see, we have to find the top 5 athletes who won most gold medals, but we can't rank them as 1, 2. This is first ranking, this is second ranking, and you can see these players from Soviet, US, Finland, US have won all 9 medals. So we can't rank them 2, 3, 4. So they all are ranked 3. Here it is. Here's the query for getting the same using rank method, and we have used the dense rank for the same. As you can see, Michael Fred won the most number of medals. He's ranked number 1, number 2 Raymond Clarence, and these are number 3 players, and there's number 4 players, and here's the top 5 players of all the events held till now got the most number of gold medals. Now coming on to the next slide, we have to find the most successful countries in terms of medal. Now most successful countries in terms of medals is, of course, the USA is number 1. After next is Russia, Germany, UK, and France. As you can see, we can get this one using the SQL query numbers. So here's the number for the same. Here it is. So as you can see, USA got 5637, Russia 3947, Germany this, UK, France. So now coming to our conclusion for the same, by getting these queries run, we got an impression that USA has won most Olympic medals. Either it be gold, either it be silver, or even bronze. So USA, we can say that USA is the champion of all Olympic games held till now, grabbing the most number of medals, of course. And one more conclusion we got is that based on the season numbers, recent slide we seen, we can conclude that the games which are played in summers are far more than the games which are played in winter. And the third and last conclusion is this, that USA, Russia, and Germany are the top 3 countries grabbing the maximum medals, either be it their nutrition factor or either their physical factor or whatsoever, nutrition, multi-nutrition. but they have been the best in the Olympic Games until now, leading US after Russia and Germany. So that was all my presentation for the Olympic Games using SQL and Excel. Thanks a lot for the. Thank you.